Lane filtering Uber Eats. Somebody called it in. Cool.
Pessoal da equipe aqui.
Oh, telephone pole caught fire. I've seen those. They take a while to put out. You got to be careful with the power lines, so you can't spray the power lines. You got to break up the straight stream or solid stream. You got to shoot it, close it, shoot it, close it.
Começa a pipocar tudo aí já era.
Yep, not an issue. All right, so lane filtering, good speed. Australia, is it miles per hour or kilometers per hour? Okay, so open area, get back in your lane. Get back into this lane. You're good, 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 good. What? Do people just not, in Australia, not know that you can lane filter, I guess? Well, can you? One sec. Can you? Lane filtering, Australia. Oh, there's different states. Lane filter is not illegal when you have open license, legal at low speeds, legal. Tasmania, where all the tigers are, allowed. Yeah, so get over it, mister. If done correctly, it is safe. And he did it correctly. No, 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 don't do that. Please, no, don't do that. See, they like to showcase a lot of the, like the motorcycle rider being the Karen. Don't be a moto Karen.
It's a police car, alright, so don't rev your engine, okay? Pull over, give me a license, pull over.
I don't know who you are, mate.
That's true. That's true. I don't know who you are. Now you do, though. I wouldn't pull over for a plainclothes anybody until lights and sirens popped off and they showed me their identification. Hey, lots of people have gotten murdered and stuff by listening to some plainclothes saying I'm a cop. So know your rights, especially in America. You know your rights. You don't have to. You call 911 if some plainclothes person says that they're a cop. Call 911, and then deal with 911 and say, okay, I'm not. This isn't legal advice. All right, so we're moving into an intersection, very dangerous area. Non-issue. That was a non-issue. All right, so we're getting into an intersection. Orange stage, prepped and ready, knowing what to do. I didn't see him look right at all, but he's looking left, okay? So right now, this is what we're doing. Okay, this person decided to go, non-issue. We're gonna decelerate just a little bit, and then we're gonna get in between these vehicles. It's as simple as that. We're gonna merge between vehicles. It makes it easier. Everyone has a good time if we do that. So when I saw this, I was like, what the heck? Non-issue. Right, Doc Wheels? Right? Non-issue. Crossing wheels, Kawasaki Ninja 250. Here we go. Whoa, tailgated. Not good. I'm just trying to follow the flow of traffic while keeping a safe distance. Good, 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 good. Here's the thing. Don't brake check cars. Now that the dum-dum is in front of you, let them be in front of you. They're increasing your space cushion, so roll off the throttle. They're still increasing that space cushion. Now go ahead and get back into maintaining speed with flow of traffic, and they're way ahead. Non-issue. All right, why is this person slowing down? Because we're having to slow down to maintain speed with this weirdo. Oh, they're throwing trash. Okay.
What a douchebag.
Is that what we're getting upset about?
What's your problem?
What?
Why are you throwing at us? Bull, dude, I got you on camera, homeboy.
There's a better way to start that conversation. There's a better way to start that conversation. Literally say, hey man, you threw some trash out, it almost hit me. Simple as that. Might not have gotten the defensive because that gives them the opportunity to say sorry. When you get at somebody and start yelling at them, screaming at them, they're gonna be like, okay, it's a fight. When you go over there and say, hey, this happened to me, and they don't say sorry, leave it alone. You're not gonna get a sorry out of them anyways. Verbal judo, everybody. Learn it.
No, someone threw something out of your fucking car. That's how people get fucking hurt.
You're on everything. I swear to God.
About you fucking take your mom and dad's car home. before I call the cops.
Get over it. Moving on. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Good swerve. Got a little poo-poo in the pantalones. It looks like he's in a different country.
That's where it's
Maybe visiting. He might be doing some adventure riding. We're going to go ahead and move through this one real quick. So he's going to be moving forward. Thankfully, he's got cameras everywhere, so it's cool to see. How you doing, buddy? Tap, tap, tap. So he's going to be moving forward on this one. As soon as you see that peek out, it's almost like a little turtle head poking out. You know dangerous. You know how dangerous that is. So this person's coming out. So this is the total stopping distance we have, the space cushion we have. So just slow down. And then they're going to finally get over here, and then you can go ahead and go. Pretty simple. Okay, don't let these turtle heads scare you. So that was a terrible turn from the car driver, but we should be slowing down, right? Progressive brake pressure. And here's the cool thing, is that he found an escape path off to the right. He did a great job.
Jeez.
That's all it takes. Did a good job.
What? No.
Look at his MDC, that computer.
So this biker was practicing wheelies on this empty road. He stopped to take a break, and unfortunately, police came. Check out the rest.
Oh. What? You do what you want to do in that situation, risk management. I'm not saying run from the cops, but here's the problem. You're going to have bigger consequences. It's all about risk management at the end of the day. You know, if you want to run from the cops, run from the cops. Just understand that you're probably going to get in bigger trouble. You never know. It could have been a simple issue. He would have just told you, don't do it anymore. But now you're running. It's like, now they got probable cause to get you. MTR rider. All right. So we got animals. Then we got animals. Oh, brush fire. All right. So be very careful. You might have emergency vehicles and a lot of panicked animals and a lot of panicked people. So we got personnel on scene already. Be very careful. You're rubbernecking right now. You're staring at something that is not important. Okay, we're going back to take a look at it. Don't rubberneck. There's going to be personnel walking across the street, and you might hit them, okay? That's how a lot of firefighters die, a lot of police officers die, is there's people that keep going back and forth to look, and then they hit something because it's the whole look where you want to go. So we're looking this way, we're going to start going this way, and then accidentally hit the vehicle or hit something, okay? It's very dangerous. Just move on. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live, so make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.